Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison between the Oneplus Nord versus the Realme X device. The Realme X using the AMOLED panel, and whereas the Oneplus Nord as using the fluid AMOLED panel display. So in this comparison of the displays, I'll be playing the same video in both of the smartphones, and I'll compare side by side in terms of high brightness mode and medium brightness mode and low brightness mode, and even by decreasing the studio lighting effects as well. So before starting the test, let me compare the display specifications of both the smartphones so that you can get a clear idea before actually comparing the displays. So first thing is the display panel, what it's using. As you can see clearly, the AMOLED panel versus the fluid AMOLED panel. So the display screen size is of 6.5 inches with no notch and no punch hole cutouts in the Realme X device. So this is the one advantage with this mobile phone, 6.53 inches, and same kind of resolution, both are having same resolution, you can see. And there is nothing special about the Realme X having this phone, no higher refresh rate and no HDR10 plus or 10 like that certified. So nothing special about this mobile phone, but only one thing is special about this phone, which is that having the full screen experience while watching the videos. So that is the biggest point for the Realme X device. So if you're not that into the higher refresh rate, then this will be the best option to purchase. So let me also show you the display properties what I'm using currently in this video, so you can get a clear idea what screen types and what screen colors I'm using. So first is that I did turn on this kind of mode, as you can see, so which will also enhance the colors in the Realme X device if you are using that mode. And the color temperature I set to the default temperature. There is no other option to select the color scheme modes here, so like which is present in the OnePlus Nord, Vivid, Natural and Advanced. So there is plenty of options here. So for this test, I'll be choosing with the high saturated colors, which is the Vivid mode here. And in the Realme X, on the other hand, there is nothing options to choose similarly like this in the OnePlus Nord device. And one more thing is that if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using in the OnePlus Nord and live wallpaper, so try to check the links in description as well. So right now you can see your friends, I am playing the same video in both the phones, Realme X on the top, as you can see, and it is a OnePlus Nord device as well. So which you can clearly identify by the dual punch hole cutouts in the OnePlus device here. So overall, I am not editing any colors in this video, so you can actually see the difference between both of the smartphones. So as I said, one thing best with the Realme X is that having full screen experience with no disturbance at all. So that is the best option for the media kind of entertainment user. And whereas on the OnePlus Nord has advantages of having higher refresh rate and HDR10 plus certified and fluid AMOLED panel. So this is the normal AMOLED panel and this is the fluid AMOLED panel. So you do get more brightness levels and more saturated and contrast levels. I can observe in this kind of plant area. So if you see a slightly higher brightness level is going on in this area, friends. And even you do have so much of customization option in terms of the color modes in the OnePlus Nord device. So that is another added advantage in the OnePlus Nord. So now let me turn the studio lighting effect so that you can actually see the difference in the low light mode as well. So right now this is with the little bit of only studio lighting effect at the moment, so you can actually see the difference of colors so clearly when you compare side. So it looks quite red color, very red in the OnePlus Nord if you observe this kind of area. So even the green colors as well. So even the Realme X display is good, but it just there is a little bit of difference between both the phones in terms of the colors and saturated levels. So both are having advantage and disadvantage. So if you ask me what is the disadvantage in OnePlus Nord, I can say one thing is that having this big punch holes here, so that can be small disadvantage for this mobile phone. So apart from that, there is nothing major problem with the OnePlus Nord. So few users they'll get used to this kind of dual punch hole camera cutouts. So for them it should be okay and no problem. And now let me try to decrease the brightness to a little bit low, 8% in both the phones. As you can see, at 8% of brightness mode in both the phones. So you can see the difference OnePlus Nord has. So this is with the medium brightness, as you can see friends, 8%. And now let me try to select the zero brightness at the moment. So you can see the zero brightness mode, how it works. So the Realme X can actually go very low brightness mode when you compare with the OnePlus Nord. So in the OnePlus Nord you can actually see the display as well. So right now you can see the display a little bit. So that means the OnePlus Nord is not that good to watch the videos at night time. So when you are traveling in the bus or in the train, so if you're watching the movies, then this display will be a little bit brighter than the Realme X smartphone. So this is the one thing also good to know that which phone has low brightness mode and high brightness levels as well. In terms of low brightness, the Realme X is the winner, and high brightness, OnePlus Nord has advantage. And even in the colors also OnePlus Nord has advantage, and refresh rate also this phone has advantage. So overall friends, my conclusion is that if you want a decent phone, and if you are not worried about the higher refresh rate or anything, and if you okay with full screen, then Realme X is a good option. And if you want a phone which has complete all-round package, then OnePlus Nord is the best option. So that's it friends, this is overall the conclusion of this video comparison side by side. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.